Imagine a world where classrooms are run by artificial intelligence. Sounds nice, doesn't it? The lightning-fast pace of technological advancements, particularly in the field of artificial intelligence, has sparked a fascinating debate. As AI becomes increasingly sophisticated, its potential applications in education are expanding at an exhilarating rate. This raises a provocative question that we're going to delve into today. Can AI replace teachers in our education system? Now, before you start envisioning classrooms filled with robots, let's clarify something. AI is a powerful tool, no doubt, but teaching is not just about delivering information. It's an art, a science, a calling that goes far beyond the binary world of zeros and ones. So as we journey into the future of education, we must consider the unique roles and contributions of teachers, roles that might prove challenging for AI to replicate. In this video, we will explore these distinctive qualities that make teachers irreplaceable in the realm of education. Firstly, consider the personal connections that teachers build with their students. When we think of education, it's not just about the transfer of knowledge from one person to another. It's about the bonds formed, the guidance given, and the support extended. Teachers do more than just teach. They mentor, they inspire, they uplift. They understand their students not just as learners but as individuals. They recognize their strengths, their weaknesses, their passions and their fears. They see the potential in every student and strive to bring it to the surface. They offer encouragement when the going gets tough and celebrate with them when they succeed. This is the heart of education. This is the personal connection. It's something that's built on empathy, on understanding, and on genuine care. Teachers, with their empathetic understanding, can establish a supportive learning environment, something that AI cannot emulate. Now, let's delve into the adaptability and critical thinking that teachers bring into the classroom. Every student is unique, possessing different learning styles, strengths, and areas for improvement. Teachers, with their keen sense of observation and understanding, adapt their teaching methods to cater to these diverse needs. They can switch from a lecture-based approach to a more interactive discussion, or employ visual aids for those who learn best through imagery. They can individualize instruction, taking into account the pace at which each student learns. This level of adaptability, this ability to pivot and adjust to individual learners, is something that standardized AI programs struggle to emulate. But it's not just about delivering information. Teachers also play a critical role in developing the minds of their students, fostering critical thinking skills that go beyond the confines of the classroom. They encourage students to question the world around them, to scrutinize information, and to form their own opinions. They guide students in analyzing complex ideas, breaking them down into understandable parts, and evaluating them from different perspectives. In the hands of a skilled teacher, a simple classroom discussion can turn into a dynamic intellectual exercise, challenging students to think deeply, to reason, and to problem solve. They help students understand that knowledge is not just about absorbing information, but about engaging with it, dissecting it, and applying it in novel ways. Critical thinking, the ability to analyze and evaluate, is a key skill that prepares students for the complexities of the real world. It equips them with the ability to make informed decisions, solve problems effectively, and navigate the information-saturated world of the 21st century. In essence, teachers are not just information providers. They are architects of thought, builders of intellect, and facilitators of learning. They cultivate in their students a hunger for knowledge and a curiosity about the world. They foster adaptability and critical thinking, skills that are crucial in an ever-changing world. These skills of adaptability and critical thinking are hard to replicate in an AI system. Teachers, with their human touch, intuition and empathy, continue to be the heart of education, nurturing the minds and spirits of their students. Creativity, problem-solving, moral guidance, these are just a few more facets of a teacher's role. A teacher's influence extends far beyond the classroom walls, shaping the minds of students and fostering an environment that cultivates innovation and critical thinking. Let's delve into the world of creativity first. Teachers are the catalysts that spark imagination within students, encouraging them to think outside the box and approach problems from various angles. They foster a culture of exploration and experimentation, where the fear of failure is replaced with the thrill of discovery. Classrooms become laboratories of innovation where ideas are born and creativity thrives. Now let's consider problem solving. Teachers guide students through intricate problems, helping them dissect these challenges into manageable parts. They arm students with an arsenal of problem-solving techniques, teaching them how to strategize, adapt, and overcome. The classroom becomes a maze, and teachers equip students with the compass of critical thinking to navigate it. But what about when the problems are not mathematical equations or scientific theories, but moral dilemmas? This is where teachers demonstrate their irreplaceable value once more. They provide moral and ethical guidance, helping students develop a strong sense of integrity and responsibility. They teach students to distinguish right from wrong, to respect diversity and uphold fairness. They are the moral compass guiding students through the complex landscape of ethics and values. Teachers do more than just deliver information. They inspire, guide, challenge, and nurture. They are the conductors orchestrating a symphony of learning, where every student plays a unique part. They transform classrooms into worlds of discovery, where knowledge is not just absorbed, but created. These aspects of teaching, from fostering creativity and problem-solving skills to providing moral guidance, go beyond mere information delivery. They require an understanding of human nature, an ability to empathize, and a capacity to inspire. And these, unfortunately, are aspects that an AI, no matter how advanced, struggles to replicate. These are aspects of teaching that go beyond mere information delivery, making them difficult for AI to achieve. Finally, remember the human touch that teachers bring to education. Beyond the academics, beyond the facts and figures, teachers play a vital role in promoting social and emotional learning. They are not just disseminators of knowledge, but are also mentors who guide students through the labyrinth of life. These educators instill in their pupils important life skills, such as communication, collaboration, and resilience. They teach students to navigate the complexities of social interactions, to empathize with others, and to understand their own emotions. They help students to become not just knowledgeable, but also emotionally intelligent individuals who can contribute positively to society. Teachers touch lives in a way that a machine could never do. They inspire minds to think beyond what is written in textbooks, to question, to wonder, and to dream. They shape the future by molding the young minds that will one day become the leaders, the innovators, and the change makers of the world. This bond between teachers and students goes beyond technology. It's a connection that's built on human emotions, on shared experiences, on the joys of discovery, and sometimes on the shared struggles of learning. This is a connection that's deeply human, deeply personal. Teaching is a deeply human profession, and while AI may have its place in education, it cannot replace the heart, soul, and impact of a dedicated teacher. In conclusion, while AI and technology have a significant role to play in modern education, they cannot replace the irreplaceable human element that teachers bring. Their mentorship, emotional intelligence, and ability to inspire are the heart of education. This discussion on AI versus teachers has shown us that while technology can enhance the learning process, the personal touch of human educators is essential. So, what do you think? Do you agree? Disagree? Have something to add? We'd love to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video and found it insightful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of the future of education. Remember, no matter how advanced technology becomes, it can't replace the heart of education, the teachers. Until our next video, keep questioning, keep wondering, and keep learning.